Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, things are a little more quiet this morning than they were yesterday. Stocks are opening up about unchanged to maybe a little bit higher. So is crude oil and so are the grains. Beans are up about 4 to 5 cents, corn up a penny, and wheat up about 2 cents. Yesterday we saw some interesting markets. Obviously the financial markets, energy markets, and even the precious metal markets turned lower after the election. But in mid-session we saw a big jump in a matter of seconds in wheat and hogs. Some people feel that there is some very big call buying in those two markets, and we hit the 80 strike price in the hogs, and actually the wheat call buying is way up there, about $10 and $11 versus where we are right now. Export sales numbers, we're expecting, low corn numbers. Wheat will be interesting to see if we're gaining any business because of higher world prices. And also we'll be watching the beans to see if they're beginning to slack off a little bit as we get closer to the South American new crop production. As far as weather is concerned, it's still dry in the southern plains. Not a lot of rain forecasted except for eastern sections over the next couple of days. South American weather is mostly good. We're drying out a little bit in Argentina, and there are rains down the road which should help overall conditions. And we're still getting some scattered rains in the dry areas of Brazil. Corn market stuck in a trading range between $7.30 and $7.70. Beans have a much wider range, maybe as much as $14 to $16. And the wheat market is right up against some really key resistance at $9. The next big news event that we're going to have to trade is Friday's USDA November crop report. The trade's already looking for a little bit lower corn crop estimate, a bigger bean estimate, and world wheat production coming down. And so if all that happens, we might see a little bit more bounce in wheat and corn prices, and we'll have to see if the higher bean numbers offset by higher demand, and if it's already in the current prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM and ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
Europe really begins this structural reform process. Around the world, the challenge going on is how do you control governments? And that's happening in the U.S.